In today's busy world, managing your time well is key to success. Prioritizing your tasks smartly helps you get important work done, reduces stress, and makes your day more productive. In this video, you will learn simple, effective steps to prioritize your tasks like a pro. Step 1. Write down all your tasks. First, write down everything you need to do. Don't try to remember tasks in your head. Get a notebook, a to-do list app, or a simple document. List every task, big or small. This clears your mind and gives you a clear overview of your workload. Step 2. Identify urgent versus important tasks. Not all tasks have the same importance. Some need to be done immediately while others can wait. Use this simple rule. Urgent tasks require immediate attention. These usually have deadlines or serious consequences if not done quickly. Important tasks are tasks that help you achieve your goals and long-term success, even if they don't have immediate deadlines. Step 3. Use the Eisenhower Matrix. A great way to prioritize is the Eisenhower Matrix. Divide your tasks into 4 categories. Urgent and important. Do these tasks first. Important but not urgent. Schedule these tasks for later. Urgent but not important. Delegate these tasks if possible. Not urgent and not important. These tasks are distractions. Avoid or eliminate them. This matrix helps you focus on what truly matters. Step 4. Estimate the time each task will take. After sorting tasks by importance and urgency, estimate how long each will take. Knowing the time helps you plan your day realistically and avoid overload. Step 5. Break big tasks into smaller steps. Big tasks can feel overwhelming. Break them into smaller, manageable parts. This makes it easier to start and track progress. You can prioritize these smaller steps as individual tasks. Step 6. Set clear deadlines. Assign deadlines to each task or step. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you avoid procrastination. Be realistic about your deadlines to reduce stress. Step 7. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking reduces efficiency. Focus fully on one task before moving to the next. This improves quality and speeds up completion. Step 8. Review and adjust daily. At the end of each day, review your progress. Move unfinished tasks to the next day and adjust priorities based on new information. This keeps your task list relevant and manageable. Step 9. Use tools to help you stay organized. There are many tools to help prioritize tasks. To-do list apps like Todoist or Microsoft To-Do calendar apps to schedule tasks and reminders. Simple paper planners or sticky notes. Choose tools that suit your style and keep you consistent. Step 10. Learn to say no. Sometimes, new tasks or requests can interrupt your priorities. Learn to say no or postpone less important tasks. Protect your time for the most valuable work. Summary. To prioritize tasks smartly. List all tasks. Identify urgent versus important. Use the Eisenhower Matrix.